What's up, guys? Welcome to Lens Only Boxing, and today I'm going to give you guys my prediction between Erickson Lubin and Sebastian Fundora, who will be fighting this weekend for the WBC interim 154-pound belt. So let's get into it. So this fight will be taking place at the Virgin Hotel in Las Vegas. Now, both fighters are southpaws. Erickson Lubin stands at 5'9" with a 74-inch reach. He has a record of 24 wins, 1 loss, and 17 knockouts. The only loss that he has is against Jermell Charlo, when Jermell Charlo knocked him out in the first round with that vicious uppercut. Now, Fundora is a lefty, and Lubin has never fought a lefty in his career, if I'm not mistaken, which may cause issues at the fight on Saturday. Now, Erickson Lubin is a passive fighter who likes to fight on the back foot. He likes to keep his distance and paw his jab and bait his opponents in with a counterpunch. He does fight in bursts. Now, Sebastian Fundora is a southpaw, as mentioned earlier. He stands at 6'5" with an 80-inch reach. He's 18-0-1 with 12 KOs. The only draw that he has is against a southpaw. Now, that may indicate that he has difficulties fighting lefties. Sebastian Fundora is a tall pressure fighter who could fight at long, medium, and short range. His style is very similar to David Benavidez in the sense that he comes forward and he likes to press his opponents. He likes to throw multiple punches. He could fight on the inside, as mentioned earlier. Now, this fight could go either way, but I had to give the advantage to Fundora just because he's taller, he's lankier, he has a longer reach, he's way more active, he's more aggressive in the ring, and Lubin is just too passive. However, the only way I could see Lubin winning is if he's able to catch Fundora with an overhand left or a straight left on top of Fundora's lazy jab. I see Fundora backing up Lubin all fight long. I could see Lubin on the ropes all fight, and on Fundora applying that pressure that he likes to do for 12 rounds. I think that it'll be very difficult for Lubin to land a big shot just because Fundora is just so tall and he's able to keep that reach. So my verdict is that Fundora will win by decision. He'll be the new WBC 154 interim champion. So let's see what happens on Saturday. Peace out.